Hello dear students, in today's demonstration I am going to show you how to prepare Moroccan meatballs or kefta taji. Let's check the ingredients. For the preparation of Moroccan meatballs or kefta taji, we need the following ingredients: chicken mince, sliced onion, sliced tomatoes, tomato puree, turmeric, chili or paprika powder, coriander seed powder, chili flakes, ginger garlic paste, juice of 2 lemon, cumin seed powder, cinnamon powder, fine chopped coriander leaves, fine chopped mint leaves, pickled lemon and black peppercorn. Now let's get started with the preparation. First we will prepare the meatballs, then we will prepare the tomato and onion gravy. Let's get started. For the preparation of meatballs, in a clean bowl, add chicken mince, add fine chopped coriander, add coarse black pepper, chili flakes and some salt to taste. Now mix it very well. Once it's mixed properly, convert them into a small 1-inch bowl. Now we have converted the chicken mince into mince ball. Now we're going to refrigerate it for at least an hour before we cook it. Now we'll start with our gravy preparation.
In a pan, heat some oil. Now add the meatball. Now stir fry them till nice golden brown. Once they are halfway cooked, remove it from the flame and keep it aside. Rest of the cooking we will do in the tomato and onion gravy. For the preparation of tomato gravy, in a heavy water pan, add oil, sliced onions, saute till light golden brown. Now add roughly cut tomatoes, and saute well. Now add salt, turmeric, coriander seed powder, cumin seed powder, and half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and half teaspoon of paprika or chili powder. Saute it very well before you add the tomato puree. Now add 1 cup of tomato puree to it. Now gently cook the mixture for 5 to 10 minutes till the water evaporates and the tomato puree is cooked nicely. Add some chicken stock to create a gravy. Once the gravy is cooked, add some mint leaves, keep some for garnishing. Some chopped coriander leaves. Also keep some for garnishing. Now turn on the gas and add the meatballs and the tomato sauce what we have prepared in advance. Since we don't have a taji, we're gonna serve the dish from this pan only. Now, gently mix them with a spoon and cover them with this delicious tomato sauce. Cover it with lid and slowly cook it for another 10 to 15 minutes. While the dish is simmering, add some preserved pickled lemon. Add that extra lemony flavor. Now the dish is almost done. Before finishing, we're gonna give it a traditional touch. Okay, we're gonna make some well. Okay, we're gonna make some room here. Okay, to drop down some egg, some whole egg. Okay, so okay, we will put some whole egg here and let it go. Don't forget to add some salt on top of the egg. Now let it simmer for another 5 minutes. After 15-20 minutes of simmering, now the dish is ready to be served. So here it is, Moroccan meatball or kefta taji. I hope you like the recipe. Thank you very much. See you in the next demonstration.